Good afternoon. I am Managna from 6th class. I used to speak English is very difficult and I was scared to speak in front of others.
I used to struggle a lot with speaking English.
But since first came to our school, I have learned to speak in English and overcome my stage fear. Now I feel very confident to share my thoughts.
With Quest training, I improved my communication and fluency. I feel much more confident now.
Thanks for Quest. I feel more comfortable to speak in English. My fluency is improved a lot. I enjoyed the activities that makes learning fun.
Thanks to Quest for making such a big change in my life.
Thank you, Quest, and thank you to our school bringing this program to us.
I am grateful to Quest and our school to give us a chance.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We love Quest.